Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly predictions from 12th of April 2021 to 18th of April 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign or moon sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen to my video. You will definitely get some information related to your dynamics as per your ascendants. So let's talk for Cancer Ascenders. Cancer Ascenders this whole week from 12th April to 18th April. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. You may start something new. Monday and Tuesday, you will bounce back. You will earn very good money. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy very good comfort. Mentally, you are feeling much relaxed and better. Some new business opportunities will knock you. Some new investments opportunities will knock you. Cancer, Monday and Tuesday, you are feeling much relaxed, comfort, and you will enjoy all around success related to your professional life as well as your personal life. If you are married, your spouse will support you. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship, your loved one will support you. They may give you very good advice. They may help you, which will be a biggest game changer event for you. You just need to perform your best. Be honest about every relationship, like with parents, with siblings, with spouse, with your loved one, with your friends. Be honest, because you will get a lot of opportunity from your social circle. You will get a lot of opportunity from your business associates. If you're a businessman or woman, you will definitely blessed with a big amount of money. You will definitely blessed with a lot of success. Wednesday and Thursday, these 2 days, again, your old investments give you fruitful results. Your siblings will support you. Your professional life will grow. But some unexpected expenditures will irritate you because Mars transit in your 12th house. You need to be careful while spending your money. Monday and Thursday, your 10th Lord transit in your 12th house, which is not very promising position. You may travel due to your business profession or due to your employment in far away place from your land. Some frequent foreign travels are there. Cancer, perform your best. Read this mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Chant this mantra 108 times, 121 times, 151 times. More you chant Lord Shiva this mantra, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, more you feel positivity. Health of your mother will be a matter of concern on Friday or Saturday. Don't ignore any type of negative symptoms related to your mother health. Must consult with your nearest astrologer as early if you saw any type of negative symptoms in your mother health. Every day morning after take your shower and before breakfast, you must chant this mantra, Lord Shiva mantra. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 and must read Shiv Chalisa 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, 11 times. You will feel magic in your life. You will get a lot of strength to face some hurdles. Otherwise, this whole week will create some magic in your professional life. Some unexpected expenditures may irritate you from Wednesday to till end of the week, but overall, finances will be excellent. You will enjoy very good health. You will enjoy very good tie-ups with your family, friends, siblings. Your siblings may help you or support you. First 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, will be a wonderful days for you. If you are interested to start anything new, you must start. Cancer, the more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascenders. Leo Ascenders, this whole week from 12th of April to 18th of April, your Ascenders Lord transit in Aries sign in exalted motion. Good fortune is in your favor from 14th April. But before 14th April, don't sign any new document. Drive carefully. You need to take care about your health. You need to take care about your father health. Monday and Tuesday, 12th of April, 13th of April, you need to careful about your father health. You need to careful signing any document. Don't give promise to anyone. From Wednesday, 14th April, your whole game will be changed when your Ascendant Lord transit in your Navam Bhav, 9th house, which is a house of your belief, which is a house of your good fortune, long distance journeys. And when your Ascendant Lord transit in your 9th house in exalted motion, good fortune is in your favor. Your all pending work will click. You will enjoy a lot of comfort. Your health of your father will be ultimate. You will get very good response from your father. You will get very good response from your siblings, your friends, your social circle. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your hard work will convert in sweet success from 14th April 2021. Leo, perform your best. Must read Aditya Hriday Stotra every day morning. Must chant the mantra Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Suryaya Nama. Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Suryaya Nama. Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Suryaya Nama. And one more positive transit which is going to happen on 14th April when your 9th Lord transit in your 11th house. You will bless with a big amount of money. You will get money from unexpected way. Your self-respect will improve from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These 4 days will be a biggest game changer days for you. If you are doing any type of real estate business, if you are doing any type of liquor business, if you have a construction company, you will definitely blessed with a lot of gains. You will get new business opportunities. And Jupiter is also transit in your 7th house, and aspecting is on your 11th, 1st and 3rd. This is one of the biggest time for you, Leo. Perform your best, put your energy, think positive. Don't think negative, just perform your best. This is the ultimate week for you, especially from Wednesday to end of the week. You will enjoy all comforts. You will enjoy good support from your father. You will enjoy very good support from your siblings, your family, your spouse. If you are unmarried, you may get good opportunity about your companionship. If you are unemployed, you will definitely get a lot of new employments offer, because Mars 8th aspect is on your 6th house, which is very fruitful. Your 9th Lord transit in your 11th house, and aspecting is on your 8th aspecting is on your 6th house. Your old debts will be clear. Cash flow will make you happy. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy all comforts. Your competitor are not able to stand in front of you. You will enjoy all around success, Leo. This whole week you will be top and sky high. From Wednesday to end of the week, you may be a part of any big venture. You may invest your money with someone, and you will get very fruitful results. Think positive, think big, and believe on yourself. You will definitely achieve big goals. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. This whole week, Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. You will be blessed with some very good positive energy. Your health will be fine. Your eating habits will rise. And if you have any stomach related trouble, backbone related trouble on the day of Monday and Tuesday, you'll feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy very good energy. You will enjoy very good surrounding of your friends. You will perform best at your workplace. If you are in a job, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. The way you put energy at your workplace, the way you get fantastic results. Monday and Tuesday will be a biggest time when you will sky high. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You're feeling much relaxed and comfort. This whole time, good fortune is in your favor. You need to perform your best. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, if you are already applied to PR or work permit, this time you will get PR, you will get work permit. Because Jupiter aspecting is in your 12th house, 10th house and 2nd house. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. Wednesday and Thursday, you will get a lot of business opportunities. You will get a lot of investments opportunities. Virgo, this whole week brings a lot of positivity. But your Ascendant Lord is debilitated. Your Ascendant Lord is in debilitated sign. So don't show your trust on strangers. From 11th April to 16th April, only 5 days, you don't show your trust on strangers, but you will get a lot of opportunities. You will get a lot of if you are unemployed, you will get a lot of opportunity related to your employment. Your efforts will convert in sweet success. Business, if you're a businessman or woman, you will be blessed with a big amount of money. Your health, and your finances, your savings will be sky high. Your earning will be sky high. This whole week, your siblings will support you. You will be blessed with some gift from your father or your grandfather's side as a inheritance, as a gift. Go perform your best, put your energy, think you're positive. Don't sign any new document from 12th to 16th April. If you have any plan to invest your money, then you have to wait to 16th April. And after 16th April, you may start anything new. Once Mercury enter in Aries sign, you may do anything, whatever you want. This whole time, this whole week will give you new directions of your life. Your personal life will be sky high and top. Your spouse or your loved one will help you or support you. You are feeling much relaxed and comfortable. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.